If you're still relying on traditional time-based maintenance, we should talk. Waiting for something to fail is risky. It can cost you millions of dollars for every hour of downtime. That's why you need EcoCare services for your electrical, automation, and cooling systems. EcoCare tackles downtime, skills gaps, and inefficient maintenance across your critical infrastructure, from LV and MV electrical distribution to UPS, cooling, drives, power, and building management systems, all with cybersecurity built in from the start. You get AI-powered condition-based maintenance, 24/7 remote monitoring, expert insights, and smart dispatch when it matters. The result? More uptime, stronger compliance, greater reliability, smarter maintenance and scheduling with less guesswork and lower operating costs, longer asset life, and more confident future replacement decisions. EcoCare also includes swift support and exclusive benefits, such as advanced technical assistance, break-fix services, tailored success plans, and discounts on training, spare parts, and on-site services. All backed by more than 6,000 asset performance management experts and certified partners, and 300 in-house AI engineers continuously optimizing your systems. That's EcoCare services, enhancing your uptime, peace of mind, and confidence, powered by your trusted energy tech partner.